Who was the first Avenger recruited by Nick Fury?
तो भाई क्रेजी एटलीस्ट 100-150 लोग होंगे भाई कॉस्ट
Flawless victory.
The massager is the USP guys.
It's actually really good.
मॉन्स्टर तो बहुत ज़्यादा बेटर है.
Been working on this costume since last year.
And that guy looked like Modi ji.
ये जो पीछे हो रहा है यहाँ पे सारे कॉस्प्लेयर्स एक साथ असेंबल हुए हैं. ऐसा तो केविन फाइगी भी नहीं कर पाया है. चलो मैं दिखाता हूँ आपको. आ जाओ.
तो भाई क्रेजी एटलीस्ट 100-150 लोग होंगे भाई कॉस्ट्यूम.
What metal is Captain America's shield made of?
Vibranium.
Who was Iron Man's first AI assistant?
Jarvis.
Perfect. Who was the first Avenger recruited by Nick Fury?
Captain Marvel, but she wasn't recruited by Nick Fury. So Black Widow, because she was working for.
But she was working for him, but she was not an Avenger at that time.
Okay, then Iron Man.
Being recruited, Tony Stark.
Perfect. What is Thanos' home planet known as?
Titan.
Perfect.
Titan.
Great. Which is the best gaming chair ever?
Green Soul.
Yeah.
It's Green Soul, guys.
That's right, Natasha Romanoff. And you win a Green Soul t-shirt. And Paddy wins the t-shirt.
Thank you.
Flawless victory.
What's up, people?
Guys, I am with Spider-Punk right here. यार मेरे को भी चाहिए ऐसे लाइटनिंग वाले बाल. Do you have a favorite character in here?
Yoshimitsu is my favorite character.
In Tekken?
Yes.
The Leroy character. Who was the Leroy character? And that guy looked like Modi ji.
Yeah, I'm fighting a bloody bear. Like, what the heck? I would have to say that even after defeating all the kaiju out there, I could still play like 50 games here with this recliner.
You heard it from Kaiju number 8, guys. Hi guys, so we have Srishti here from Green Soul itself, and Srishti, we have a couple of questions for you. What is your favorite game and what is your favorite sitting setup?
I'm not a gamer. I'm only here because they're paying me.
एक काम करना, cut this. सृष्टि तुम्हारी जॉब जा सकती है इससे. तुम्हें ऐसा सब नहीं बोलना है. You love gaming, don't love back pain. You have to say that you had back pain. You have to get more scared, more sadness. सर पे हाँ, yeah, that's it. Okay, we are going to do this again. And Srishti, you were saying?
हाय, मेरा नाम सृष्टि है. मैं पहले बिल्कुल भी गेमिंग नहीं करती थी. स्टूल पे बैठा करती थी. लेकिन अब मेरी ज़िंदगी में आया है ग्रीन सोल और अब मैं घंटों गेमिंग करती हूँ. मम्मी भी बुलाती है तब भी नहीं जाती. आई लव ग्रीन सोल.
I am Sakshi.
Hi Sakshi.
I'm Ritik.
What games were you playing at the recliner zone?
We were playing Tekken, right?
How did you like the game?
The game was awesome.
Very competitive.
But as long as you're playing on our premium Shangri-La Green Soul recliner, everything is good. How did you like the recliner?
Yeah, I didn't felt like I was in a arena like this. I thought I was at my home. It was very comfortable.
It felt like sitting on a cloud.
Nice. We have not paid them, guys. Yet. How was the experience with the game first?
Very, very nice.
Overall experience was very good.
But this was the first time for both of you guys to play Tekken on Green Soul Shangri-La Premium Recliner. Yes. And how was it?
It was great. The recline, the seat, recline, the leg space, everything was great. The comfort.
After 5 games, I can sleep on that. It is very comfy, man.
That's the dangerous part. Is it your first time at the Green Soul stall?
Yes.
Since we have made you sit on the Monster Pro chair while sitting, what all features can you see like right away?
Right away, I can see the vibration behind my back for now.
Back massager, yes.
Yeah,
So
I can
these are the top 3 features on it: the back massager, the ventilator seats, and the leg extension that becomes an Ottoman kind of a thing. The massager is the USP, guys.
It's actually really good. I'm feeling it already.
अपना नाम के वापस.
मेरा नाम रमन है. तो मैंने एक्चुअली चेयर ऑर्डर कर दी थी कुछ 15-16,000 में मॉन्स्टर आई बिलीव. फिर मैंने यहाँ आके देखा कि 15% ऑफ चल रहा है. तो पहले तो मुझे कैंसिल करना ही था वो. फिर मैंने जब मॉन्स्टर में बैठ के देखा और मॉन्स्टर प्रो पे बैठ के देखा तो फिर मुझे समझा कि मॉन्स्टर प्रो तो बहुत ज़्यादा बेटर है. अब मैं मॉन्स्टर प्रो ऑर्डर करूँगा.
और मॉन्स्टर प्रो में आपको कितना % डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है?
15%, almost 4,500 rupees, something like that ऐसा कुछ. तो it will be around 24 something ऐसा कुछ.
वो नाइस, आपने सस्ती चेयर कैंसिल करके महंगी
जी ली है 15,000 वाली.
बेटर है.
Yeah, it's very better actually, very better.
So guys, we are going to the finale of Bangalore Comic Con 2025 cosplay competition. I'm going to give you a spoiler. They are going to get a Green Soul gaming chair as a prize. कहाँ है हमारे विनर? There he is, there he is.
Winner in the science fiction and fantasy category, sponsored by Green
Soul. Yes.
Sumit as Guldan.
So sir, what's your name?
Sumit Vishwas.
And what's your cosplay?
It's Guldan from World of Warcraft.
Okay, please explain your cosplay.
This is my childhood game I used to play.
Okay.
Been working on this costume since last year.
Damn, I think this is the best, and it justifies the sci-fi fantasy category.
Most of the things I've 3D printed, and I don't know how to sew, so I glued most of the things, manually tried to tie things and all.
Okay. Hi guys, so I'm feeling a bit emotional, not just because my shawarma has finished, but Bangalore Comic Con 2025 has come to an end. But like any other good franchise, Green Soul will return in Comic Con Indore or Mumbai or Pune, whichever comes first. See you there.